we expecting for our Tuesday morning? Hi, I'm digital meteorologist Whitney Williams in the WGN First Alert Weather Now streaming studio and this forecast update thanks to our friends at Farm and Home Supply. So as we kick off our Tuesday morning, 6 o'clock, depending on where you are in the tri-states, sky conditions will vary between mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s, and around 59 is where we normally are this time of year, so we're pretty close to that. Temperatures later in the day getting a little bit warmer, but still a little bit below normal for this time of year. But enjoy it because the hot temperatures will be making their return. To find out when, stream WGN First Alert Weather Now.